Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and I am going to teach you step by step how to create a wallpaper in Adobe Animate. This is, you have to select the full HD, wait for it to load up, and the canvas is automatically set as 1920 by 1080. You want to go to the zoom here in the top right hand corner and choose 50%, and we're going to get straight to it, and we're going to go straight to our tools library. So if the tools aren't shown, which they are here, little block there to bring your tools up, you want to select a gradient, which is these down here, and we're going to just pull out a rectangle for the backing. Going to go back to tools, get rid of the line, select the fill, which is the colour without the lines of your object. We're now going to go to colour. We're going to click in a few different colours, and what we're going to do is we're going to make it linear. We're going to make it a formula that blends into blue. Then we're going to press F, pull it across like so. We're now going to do something easy, so go to the timeline and just lock that layer, add in 3 layers. On layer 2 we're going to get a circle. We're going to chuck out the circle like that, and just to be really fast we're going to go back to tools, get rid of the line, select the circle and press Ctrl C, Control Shift V, then Q on your keyboard, and that should copy and paste in place another circle that's exactly the same. We're then going to grab the middle and delete it because it was on the same layer, and we're now going to press F8 and call it rings defined. We're going to click into it, we're going to copy it, we're going to say Control C or edit copy and paste them in place 2 layers above. We're going to grab layer 1 and we're going to say modify shape expand fill by 20 pixels. Okay, we're going to bring it down to there. We're then going to say we want it to be a solid black. We then want to get the F again and make it defined so it blends into the background. We're going to go to Tools, select the arrow. We're going to grab layer 2 and we're going to rotate it slightly. So it's going to do that. And then we're going to get layer 3 and we're going to make it a little bit smaller. Hold down the Shift key and do that. Now it slightly blends, slightly doesn't. I'm going to make it a bit smaller, like that. Make it, you can just mess around with it until you're happy with it. Copy as many as you want. If you just blend it slightly. Let's make a change on the colour to that, I think. and this is going to be a wallpaper. Click out of the unlock layer 1, change the colours a bit, layer 1, change the colour like that. And then I want you to create a logo and mess with the colours until you have something you want to keep that blends in well, which, believe it or not, I've done one beforehand. I've told you how to blend the colours, I've told you how to create the circle. Now it's up to you to get it to blend like this one. And I pulled out the circles like that and blended the colours better, and it's up to you to do the blend in. You're the artist. And then when you export that, I want you to export it as image. So export image, and wait, I'll tell you how to export it, because that's what you're basically learning today. You're learning how to definitely export and this will appear. You want to choose PNG, transparency yes, and just hit save, and that's all you got to do. And then when it's exported, it should look like that. And that's how I created that wallpaper. And thank you for listening.